Hello students, welcome back to the online class. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today we'll do a continuation of the chapter which we were doing in the previous class. So the chapter was chapter number 6, topic the Southern Plateau. Okay, today we'll cover in this class we'll cover Madhya Pradesh and Chattisgarh. Okay, for the reference please take out your book, page number 54. Okay, so Madhya Pradesh, so location, okay, it is located in the central India, that is surrounded by the state of Gujarat in the west, Chhattisgarh in the east, and Maharashtra in the south, and Rajasthan in the northwest, and the Uttar Pradesh in the northeast. Okay, so where the Madhya Pradesh is located, as you can see in the map, okay, it is located in the central India and which is surrounded by the states. What are the states? Gujarat in the west, okay, and Chhattisgarh in the east, and Maharashtra in the south, and Rajasthan in the northwest, and the Uttar Pradesh in the northeast. Okay, so the capital is Bhopal. Okay, the river used to flow around Madhya Pradesh is Tapi, Chambal, Narmada, Bitwa, and Son. Okay, so those are the river which used to flow under the Madhya Pradesh. So the language, what are the language they used to speak? Hindi, Urdu, Malvi, and Banti are the main language of the states. So those are the language which the Madhya Pradesh people used to speak. What are the language? Hindi, Urdu, Malvi, and the Bati are the main language of the states. Okay, so the traditional dress, okay, the traditional dress, the man wear dhoti, kurta, okay, and kurta pajama. Women wear sari, okay, salwar, kameez, and lenga choli. So those are the image, okay, which is shown traditional dress of Madhya Pradesh. Now let's talk about the music and dance. Okay, Lota, Manchi, and the Ghor Mira are the popular dance form of the states. Okay, as you can see in the image, those are the Lota. It has been used for the dance form. Okay, they used to use a prop as a pot. Okay, which is called a Lota. So they used to use a prop in their dance. Okay, so the festivals, so what are the festivals? Holi, Diwali, Eid, and the festivals of a Galwar are Kesora, festivals of a dance, and the musics are the celebrated here. So those are the festivals. What are the main festivals? Holi, Diwali, Eid, those are the festivals which is to be celebrated by Madhya Pradesh people. Okay, so the occupation, agriculture, block print paper, manchi, liver work, chanderi, and the Maheshwari sari provided jobs to the people. Okay, so those are the occupations of the people. What they used to do, like a block printed paper, they used to use it. Okay, and the chanderi and the Maheshwari sari they used to produce, and also due to that they used to provide the jobs to the people by to make that things. What they used to do, they most probably the human, okay, the human used to be work over there, and the people who are jobless, they used to get the job because of these things. Okay, what are the things? Chanderi, okay, it's kind of a printed work. Okay, and the Maheshwari sari, those are the things that because of this only the people used to get jobs, okay, by the human. Okay, the wheat, cotton, rice, jawar, maize, okay, the linseed, chemical, rubber, leather, forest based industries. Okay, so those are the things they used to be produced over there. We can find it most probably over these things over in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, So the food processing are the major industries of the states, and also the food processing are the major industries of the states. Now let's talk about the tourism. Okay, Kanha, the national park. Okay, Bandwar National Park, Pichwar, Pinch National Park, Orach and Ujjain are well-known tourist spot in the state of Maharashtra. Sorry, Madhya Pradesh. As you can see the image in the screen. Okay, so the important city, the Gorak, Indore, Jabal and Panchmar are the important city of the state. Which is the state? It's a Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now let's talk about the Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Chhattisgarh, the location. The Chhattisgarh is surrounded by the state of the Madhya Pradesh. As I told you, okay, we have just read Madhya Pradesh. Yes, so where it is located. Yes, it is. It has been surrounded by this Gujarat. Yes, Chhattisgarh. So today, now we are going to uh, discuss about the Chhattisgarh. So the Chhattisgarh, the location, the Chhattisgarh is surrounded by the state of Madhya Pradesh, okay, and the Maharashtra in the west, okay, so Orissa in the east, and the Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh in the north. It is the landlocked state, and it's called a landlocked state. Okay, so the capital is Raipur, and the river used to be flow. What is the river? Mahanadi, and the most important river of the state is waterfalls like Chikhora Hook and Tarkha Ghat and Malwar are the located here. So those are the rivers used to be flow under the Chhattisgarh. Okay, so the language are used to be spoken by the Chhattisgarh people are Hindi. Okay, Chhattisgarhi. Okay, Chhattisgarhi tribal language such as Habli and Gondi. Okay, those are the language. Okay, those are the language of our tribals. Okay, so the most important, most probably days to talk is Hindi and Chhattisgarhi. Okay, so the dresses. The man wear dhoti kurta, lungi, kurta pajama, and the human wear heavy jewelry, colorful sari with the silver waistband called kamarband. Okay, so the dresses, what they used to wear is the man wear dhoti kurta, okay, lungi, okay, lungi kurta pajama, and the human wear the heavy jewelry, okay, and with the colorful sari, okay, and the silver vest that silver vest the band used to call a kamarband, which used to be wear by the human at the west. Okay, it's called a kamarband. Now music and dance. Okay, so as you can see the dresses also in the screen. Okay, the it's a traditional dress of a Chhattisgarh. Mostly the people used to wear in the traditional way. Now music and dance. Rivat Nacha, Panvami, Pathi, and the popular folk dance and the music songs, and there are the every occasion they used to do. Okay, so as you can see the dance form, okay, of a Chhattisgarh. What are they? The Raut Nach, Pandwani are the popular folk music, and the folk song are there. For the every occasion they used to use a folk song for the in the every occasions of the people of Chhattisgarh. Okay, now occupation. The farming is the main occupation of a Bidas Dasera. Okay, Betras Dasera, Betras and the Lok Sav, Teej, Pola and the Diwali are the main festivals of a Chhattisgarh. Okay, those are the main festivals, and also they used to celebrate the occupations in the festivals also. Okay, now the main crops of Chhattisgarh are rice, as you can see in the image. Linseed, beetles, nuts and watermelon and berries seeds, plants, mining of a core, iron and magnesium. Okay, the metal and the craft, jewelry, painting, wood, carving, bamboo work and the furniture, terracotta and the jewelry provided jobs to the people. So what are the main crops of Chhattisgarh people? Are rice, as you can see in the image, and the other are also main occupations, and also because of that things only the people are getting the jobs. Okay, so what are the main things? Like crafts, okay, jewelry, painting, hoods and carving, and the mostly the what they used to do, the people used to make a things which is made by bamboo, as you can see in the image. Okay, as you can see in the image, which is made by the bamboo. Okay, and because of these things only the people are getting the jobs. Okay, so what they used to do, the use of a people, they used to been collected, and they used to make a whoever are been interested, whoever are good in arts, okay, paintings and the carving the bamboos, okay, making the jewelries, as you can see in the image. So those are the things, okay, those who people are good in craft and making the jewelry, paintings, okay, and the carving and all, which is those things are made up of bamboo, and because of this only they are providing a jobs to the people. Okay, now let's talk about the tourism. As you can see the image of the tourism of Chhattisgarh. So what are the tourism? Okay, what are the places? So Kailash and the Kunasar cave, Karanga Valley, a national park of a Karwarda places, and the Surpi and the are the famous sports. Okay, those are the tourism and also famous sports. What are they? Kailash and Kurmasar caves and Karinga Valley, okay, the national park, Karwartha places and the Survar are the famous ports. So those are the famous ports of the Chhattisgarh, and the important cities: Bilaspur, Korba, Drug, Rajgarh and Dantarwat and Rajgonggaon are the important city of the states. So what are the important cities? Bilaspur, Korbar, okay, and Durga, Rajgarh, Dantarwat and Rajgonggaon are the important cities of the Chhattisgarh. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next video. And yes, the chapter needed to be continued. Okay, go through the chapters along with the video. Okay, until and unless you will not go through with the chapters, you will not understand it. Okay, so till then, stay home, stay safe, and always follow the precaution. Don't do any careless with it. Okay, as you know how the this infections spreading like anything else, so always follow the precaution. Thank you and take care.